What's the meaning of bean? Bean. Bean.
Bean. Bean. The word bean is primarily used to refer to the edible seeds of certain plants in the legume family. Beans are a common ingredient in many cuisines around the world, and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, including black beans, kidney beans, navy beans, and pinto beans. However, the term can also be used colloquially to refer to a person's head, particularly in the phrase "use your bean," meaning to think or use your brain. Additionally, bean can also refer to a small amount of something. For example, "I don't have a bean of cash left." In general, the word bean has a wide range of meanings and applications depending on the context in which it is used.